Hello, history enthusiasts! Today, we're setting sail on an adventure to uncover the amazing story of the Titanic. This legendary ship has captured our hearts with its tales of grandeur, tragedy, and bravery. So let's dive in and discover 12 fascinating facts about the Titanic. Building the Titanic. The Titanic was built in Belfast, Ireland, and was one of the biggest and most luxurious ships of its time. It took 3 years to build and cost $7.5 million, which would be over $180 million today. Titanic's size. The Titanic was huge, measuring about 882 feet long and 92 feet wide. It had 10 decks and could hold over 2,400 passengers and crew. Luxury on board. The Titanic was like a floating palace, with features like a swimming pool, gym, and fancy dining rooms. First-class passengers had luxurious cabins and fine dining. First voyage. The Titanic set sail on its first voyage from Southampton, England on April 10, 1912. It stopped in France and Ireland before heading to New York City. Iceberg collision. Tragedy struck on April 14, 1912, when the Titanic hit an iceberg in the North Atlantic Ocean. The iceberg tore a hole in the ship's hull, sinking. The Titanic sank in the early hours of April 15, 1912, less than 3 hours after hitting the iceberg. More than 1,500 passengers and crew lost their lives. Survivors. Around 705 people survived the sinking, many of them women and children. They were rescued by another ship called the Carpathia. Changes in safety. The sinking of the Titanic led to changes in maritime safety regulations. Ships were required to carry enough lifeboats for all passengers and crew. Discovery. The wreck of the Titanic was found in 1985 by a team of explorers led by Dr. Robert Ballard. It was located about 12,500 feet below the ocean surface. Artifacts. Over 5,500 artifacts have been recovered from the Titanic's wreck, including personal items, furniture, and pieces of the ship itself. Cultural impact. The story of the Titanic has inspired many books, movies, and documentaries, including the famous film Titanic, directed by James Cameron. Legacy. The Titanic's story continues to be a symbol of human ambition and the importance of safety. It reminds us of the bravery and tragedy that can happen at sea. And there you have it, a fascinating look at the Titanic's story. What part of the Titanic's history interests you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through history, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the past.